Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So for this we just need to go on Google Play Store here, and I will just click on my ID button on the right top corner here. Just click on it and we will go now the payments and subscription option here. Also helping feedback, so just click on it and you have to go on the contact us option. So Google Play Store here, so this is the space where you need to type your query regarding Google Play balance to bank account, and just click on the next option here. Yes, you can see transfer account content and just select this area like movies and TV or Google Play Store apps. Just click on it and you have to click on the next step, and also you can compact it from here. So by this way you can transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.